In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pure black background in Photoshop. This skill can come in handy for both professional projects and personal creations, giving your images a sleek, refined look. Let's dive into the process step by step to achieve that perfect black background using Adobe Photoshop. First, begin by launching Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you're not yet familiar with the interface, take a moment to get to know the workspace. You'll find a variety of tools and options available, all designed to help you create and edit graphics with precision. Next, you'll want to add your image into Photoshop. You can do this by going to the File menu and selecting Open to locate your image on your computer. Once you've selected your image, click Open, and it will be imported into your workspace. This is your starting point, so make sure you're comfortable with the image you've chosen. The third step involves making a selection of the object you want to keep in focus while changing the background. You can use the Quick Selection tool or the Magic Wand tool located in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Carefully select the object, ensuring that you capture the edges as precisely as possible. This is crucial because this selection will separate the object from the background, allowing us to make changes without affecting the main subject. Once your selection is perfect, the next step is to make the selection inverse. This means you'll be selecting the background instead of the object itself. To do this, go to the Select menu at the top and choose Inverse. This action will highlight everything except the object, preparing the background for editing. Now, with the background selected, it's time to make it a solid color. You'll want to click the circle icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, which represents the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer option. Select Solid Color from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will open a color picker, automatically filling the current selection with whichever color you choose. Finally, adjust to the black color. In the color picker window, set the color to pure black. You can do this by dragging the color selector to the bottom left corner or by entering the hex code for black. Once you've made this adjustment, click OK. You've successfully replaced the original background with a clean, professional-looking black backdrop. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to give your images a sophisticated touch with a pure black background in Photoshop. Practice this process a few times and you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for watching and happy editing.